Every year, billions of tubes of toothpaste are produced around the world. Toothpaste is composed of abrasive substances that clean teeth. Surprisingly, a large amount of rock is required to produce toothpaste. But how are these hard minerals mixed? How are they turned into a soft, mint-flavored paste? And how are those strips created? We visited the Colgate factory to find out how one of the world's most popular toothpastes is made. Colgate is a brand of toothpaste that helps prevent problems such as tooth decay and bad breath. Currently, this toothpaste is sold in supermarkets and some small stores in more than 150 countries around the world. Colgate's history dates back to the early 19th century when William Colgate, an English immigrant, founded what would become one of the world's most recognized oral care brands. In 1806, he started a humble soap and candle business in New York City. Colgate's commitment to quality and innovation soon led to the expansion of its product line. In the mid-19th century, the company began producing scented soaps and toothpastes, products that would be critical to its future success. The first tube toothpaste was launched in 1873, marking a milestone in personal dental hygiene. At that time, toothpaste was sold in jars and was not as accessible or convenient as in tube form. Colgate's focus on scientific research to improve its products led to the development of more effective and pleasant-tasting toothpaste during the 20th century. The brand continued to innovate, introducing products such as fluoride toothpaste, which marked a significant advance in the fight against dental caries. Colgate's global expansion accelerated during the 20th century, becoming a world leader in the oral care market. Its presence expanded to numerous countries, becoming a mainstay in millions of homes around the world. Modern toothpaste offers many positive benefits, such as keeping teeth white and protecting against gum disease and painful tooth decay. The production of toothpaste is a fascinating chemical and mechanical process that begins with the combination of abrasive substances such as rock and sand. These amazing ingredients become the essence of dental cleaning. The production of our favorite fluoride protection begins in factories like this one at the Colgate plant on the outskirts of London, where an industrial choreography takes place early in the day. This factory produces 1 million tubes of toothpaste per day. Toothpaste ingredients arrive at the factory on trucks like this one. The global demand for toothpaste is huge, which is why factories like this one have a lot of work. The factory receives the main components that will form the base of the toothpaste. These ingredients often include sodium fluoride as an agent to prevent cavities, abrasives such as silica and calcium carbonate or baking soda for mechanical cleaning. Processing begins with the discharge of bags that soon become valuable toothpaste. The solvent, which is water, dissolves all these materials. Also included are flavorings to give taste and smell, colorants for aesthetics, foaming agents, binders for consistency, pH adjusters, humectants to keep the toothpaste from drying out, and preservatives to prolong its shelf life. Together, these chemicals with complicated names work toward a simple goal: to protect teeth from cavities. Specific amounts of each chemical are measured in large containers. Measuring all these substances in the right quantities is not an easy task, as some are used in tons and others in kilograms. Once accurately weighed and dosed, the ingredients are combined in a high-capacity mixer. This mixer is a specialized machine designed to integrate the components evenly and smoothly. At this point, powerful mixers spring into action, capable of mixing large quantities at an astonishing speed, moving 5 tons in just 5 minutes. These machines not only grind the raw ingredients, but also mix them with pinpoint precision, adding a gel to homogenize the mixture. The heart of the process houses giant agitators that spin at a dizzying speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute, equivalent to the force of a car traveling at 30 miles per hour. In the tanks, the mixture is combined to form a slurry-like substance. Once the ingredients are fully combined, they are sent for cooking. The mixture must be heated in large aluminum pots to prevent any unwanted chemical reaction within the toothpaste mixture. Each batch produces enough toothpaste to fill about 30,000 tubes. Precision is key. The mixture must be exact to avoid lumps that affect the final quality. When a pot is opened, it looks like a large bowl filled with frosting. Inside, spatulas are used to scrape away any excess that sticks to the blades of the mixer. Once the desired consistency is reached, the toothpaste embarks on a journey through complex pipelines to a pressurized chamber, ready to be packed into tubes. However, one crucial detail is missing: the strips, and it's time to add some color. Although they contain no active ingredients, this mixture will form the famous multicolored stripes. Inserting them without staining the rest of the white toothpaste is a real challenge. The answer lies in a laboratory, where experts ensure consistency by conducting viscosity tests to ensure that the strips remain intact and that the toothpaste flows perfectly from the tube to the toothbrush. Research shows that consumers prefer striped varieties over plain products. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss upcoming videos. Leave a like if you like this in-depth report and comment below with your impressions or questions. We'd love to know what you think. Thus, the colored liquid is mixed with plain toothpaste. Although its synthetic red and blue color might look unappealing, it is perfectly safe for humans. After being combined with the base blend, the final blend becomes less noticeable and will be part of the striped finish produced when the multicolored toothpaste is squeezed from the tubes. Toothpaste come in a range of colors and flavors, perhaps the most popular and familiar variety being mint. Chemists incorporate this and other flavors into the mixture using essential oils. By combining different amounts of various oils, chemists can recreate almost any flavor desired. A dedicated testing department spends hours each day testing new flavors. Each batch undergoes rigorous testing. Any variation in viscosity could be catastrophic, underscoring the importance of this step in the process. The meticulous work culminates in confirmation that the batch meets viscosity standards. But one last secret remains: getting the strips into the tubes. The mystery is solved with separate dispensers that ensure their placement without interference. Toothpaste is pumped through pipelines to the filling machine. This machine doses and distributes the toothpaste evenly into each tube. Each different color enters the system through a different pipeline. The machine can fill 1,000 tubes every minute. The machine injects the 3 toothpastes side by side without physical separation, but due to the viscosity of the toothpaste, they do not mix exactly. Exactly 70 grams of toothpaste is injected into each tube. Once each tube is filled with the appropriate amount of toothpaste, they are hermetically sealed. This action ensures that the product remains fresh and protected from external contamination. Once the batch is ready, a sample is taken for evaluation. But how does this toothpaste clean your teeth? Toothpaste mainly performs 2 types of cleaning: chemical and mechanical. Some substances react with bacteria and dirt on the teeth, decomposing them. They also protect the mouth. The second method is mechanical. Small solid particles rub the teeth while brushing. The tubes are placed on the conveyor belt in groups of 15, and the machine rotates each tube to place the mark correctly. This is crucial, otherwise the tubes will be sealed incorrectly. After being filled, sealed and marked, the tubes are grouped into boxes ready to be packed and shipped for distribution and sale in the market. To ensure that each box is full, they are all weighed. 24 tubes should weigh just over 1350. Any box that does not contain enough tubes will not reach that weight and will be removed immediately. Only full boxes are sealed for sale. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and share it with someone else who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by turning on notifications to continue learning.